Alrighty, everybody. Here we are, getting all set and ready for topic 1, DQ2. All right, you guys have been working hard. You got through topic 1, DQ1. You're all set for the second discussion question for the week. All right, so for this discussion question, we want to enter some points, find the slope and intercept for the line indicated in the problem, and we want to fill in some table values from -5 to 5 using the step size of 0.5. All right. Format all your y values to 2 decimal places and all the x values to 1 decimal place. All right, so let's see what we got here. Step 1, let's enter our name. All right. All right, here we go. And I have my points, everybody. You can see my points are given to me right here. Right here. All right. So let's enter the points. I have the point x naught, y naught, x sub 0, y sub 0. In other words, my point is -4 and -10. And my second point is -3, -9. All right, very good. So look out for that. When you're entering your numbers in, make sure you use the points there given to us on that page you get on the when you type your name in, okay? Not the page, but the text box. All right, now I want to write the slope. So the next thing I want to write is the slope of the line. So let's take a look. All right, the slope. The slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Or in ours, it uses x naught and y naught, okay? So let's go back through this one more time. All right, so the slope we're going to say is equal to y1 minus y naught divided by x1 minus x naught. Okay, that's for 2 points. What are those points? X naught, y naught, and x1, y1. Okay, those are my 2 points. So let's go ahead and type this in. And we are going to use the cells that those values are in. So we're going to type equals. And we're just going to use our mouse. Okay, everybody? We're going to use our mouse to help us out here. All right. Y1, where is that? Here it is right here. It's -9, right? So right there, minus y naught. There we go. All right, let's close our parentheses. Divided by, that's the / open parentheses. All right, I'm looking for x1. There's x1. There it is. Just click on it with your mouse, subtract, x naught. There we are. Close parentheses. Whoops. Parentheses. And hit enter. All right, and there it is. You can see it turn green, meaning that it is correct, okay? Next, it says it wants me to enter the formula, and it wants me to use the fact that y sub 0 equals mx sub 0 plus b. All right, so I want to type in the formula equals y naught minus mx naught, okay, sub 0. So let's go ahead, equals. All right, y naught, go ahead and click on it. Minus m, go ahead and click on it. We just calculated it, right? M times, so that's asterisk, right? X naught, go ahead and click on it. All right, so now you can see that I have equals C17 minus C23 times B17. I hit enter and I'm good to go. All right, so I have my intercept and I have my slope. I'm now ready to write the equation, okay? I'm ready to write the equation as soon as I get my values for x. Okay, what does it say? It says fill in this values of x from -5 to 5 by step 0.5. Okay, so type in -5. Next one is equal to equals. All right, equals. Click on the previous cell and add plus 0.5. All right, hit enter. Let's just go ahead and fill that in all the rest of the way down. You guys can just drag and drop. And we have filled it in from -5 to 5 all the way. All right, we are now ready to get our formula. We have equals mx plus b. So equals m, here it is right here. And I'm going to use the $sign to lock this in place so I can copy and paste and it doesn't move down. So I put the $sign between the letter and the number and it locks it in place so it won't shift down when I copy it, okay? All right, let's keep going. Plus, oh, my bad. Come back here. Rather times x, which is right beside it, right? So mx. I want the x to move down, so I'm not going to put a $sign in there. All right, plus, what's the next one? Plus b. All right, here's b. And I'm going to put a $sign in here again to keep it from moving down. And there you see I have C23 with a $sign times F15. F15 is my value of x plus C24, which is my y-intercept. And I hit enter and I am ready to go. Okay. So let's see what it said I did wrong here. All right, let's go back here and see what I did. C23 times F15. All right, let's go back here. E15, there we go. And there we go. So once again, let's see the formula. I had the wrong value. I had an F in there, right? So there you guys can see it. It's C23 times E15 plus C24. And remember again, the $signs keep it from moving down, okay? Go ahead and enter. Now we're ready to drag this down all the rest of the way, and we'll be done with this part, okay? There we go. Now we are complete. What does it say to do? Make sure all the Y values are 2 decimal places. Mine are. Make sure the X values are 1 decimal place. Mine are. It wants me to give it 1 decimal place for everything. So just go ahead and highlight this. Go up here and use my $sign on my toolbar and add or take away as necessary, right? In this place, I'm going to leave it with 1 decimal place. And there you go. Just using the formatting on the toolbar. I have all the X values with 1 decimal place. I have the Y values with 2 decimal places. And I'm good to go. Now it's time to put our graph in here, okay? So what do I want to graph? I want to graph X and Y. So highlight all these values for X and Y. Actually, let's go ahead and highlight the titles too as well, okay? That will help us out here. So click, highlight the data in X and Y equals MX plus B. Go up here and let's use insert, and I want to insert a graph, okay? I want to insert a graph. All right. I don't want that, do I? That's not what I want at all. So let's go back. I don't want that thing. That looks silly, right? What is it I want? I want a line, right, everybody? I want a line that's going to be a straight linear equation. I don't want 2 things that look like that. So let's choose insert. All right. Let's choose a scatter plot. All right. There's my scatter plot. Now I've got it. All right. Those are all the points that I just made. All right. And those 2 columns, X and Y. You can see right here that it says I have my title, y equals mx plus b. I need my X and Y axis labels. So click on the plus sign here and let's choose the axis titles. Okay. So here I'm going to type in the X. All right, right here, X axis. All right, there's my X axis, looks good. I need to type in my Y axis. All right. And I can make them all cap or just whatever you want, right? It's just whatever works best for you. All right, and there I'm good to go. I got my y-axis, I have my x-axis. So those are labeled. What do I need now? I need my line, right? To go through the points, I need a line. So let's just click on here, click on my points. Let's add. What do I want to add, everybody? I want to add the trend line. So just go ahead and add the trend line. And there you go. All right. And at this point, everybody, I can have it like this. I can click on it also. I can click on my graph, any of these points, right? I can click on any of these points and I can add to this if I want to. All right, you can see it's added a point before and a point after here. All right, and so I'm done. I have my line. I have my axis labels. I have my formatting for my X and Y. I have my formulas all typed in. My cells all changed colors, telling me I'm correct here, right? Everything is good to go, everybody, and we are done. And just for fun, if you want to, you can change colors on this, right? You can change color on the graph. You can have it look like different things, right? You can have fun with it, make it what you want of it. Just have fun, make it yours, okay? Alrighty, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the forums. Bye.